Apex Whole House Water Filter. Known as the heavy-duty Big Blue, Apex Whole House Water Filter is unique to high-flow applications. The white cartridges can filter enough water for a large house and apartments, as they would for a busy office, restaurant, or medical environment. The Apex filters have a simple 20-inch by 4.5-inch footprint, which yields highly effective solutions. If you're looking to supply your entire home with fresh, clean water and the best whole house water filter to remove fluoride and chlorine, there isn't much further to look at than the Apex. Certified in-house construction and high-quality coconut shell activated carbon are two of Apex's standout features. Get ready for Apex Whole House Water Filter to remove the stinky smells and flavors, including but not limited to fluoride, arsenic, chlorine, lead, mercury, and iron, to name a few. Water passes through 3 stages of filtration to remove sediment, chlorine, iron, heavy metal contaminants, and sources of unpleasant odors and discoloration. The Big Blue Apex measures 30 inches long, 24 inches wide, and 12 inches high, is wall mountable or ready to use, under the counter, and weighs only 59 pounds. Warranty. No published manufacturer warranty. Guarantee of part replacement with proof of receipt of purchase. Pros. Includes 3 proprietary, foolproof color-coded filter chambers. GAC Filtration provides a simple, yet highly effective filtration solutions. Recommended for residential and commercial use. Cons. Reduces water flow and pressure. Company fails to keep replacement parts promises. Media can harden inside filter chambers without a constant water flow.